Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Monday, March 19th. Time is 8:24 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're going to try to get back into the groove of things. Not much trading last week, and looking at the markets. Other than this big run, I was watching it, but I couldn't figure it out, and it was Friday, so I didn't trade it. And right now we're just kind of putting along at a snail's pace. So I have no idea what we're going to do just yet. So just going to kind of wait it out, and we'll see if we get some volume that eventually kicks in. But I'm just in the indecision area right now, so I'm just going to wait and kind of see what happens here. So that's pretty much where we are at. So push up last week a bit after the drop. So we had 3 days of, well, this is just a channel day. Thursday and Friday we had that big run up after channeling all morning right before lunch in New York. So, but yeah, last week's pretty much just a big drop, and this was just a correction. So now we're just kind of watching and waiting and playing it there. So if we get into a trade, I'll be back. All right, guys. See you in a bit. All right, guys. Finally in a trade. This market is just moving in slow motion, so I'm gonna probably do a little bit of scalping here. Long 10 contract 62.10. Look to pull half off at 62.20. Stop is going to be sitting at 62.03. 7-tick stop. So we'll see what happens here. Not too much to really brag about. I mean, nothing is going on, so we'll see. All right, I'll be back. Okay, got half off there, 62.20. Stop's going to be moving to break even, and we'll just kind of see how everything plays out at this point. So I'm not going to be actively watching today. Market's moving way too slow for my liking, and I will get bored, so I'll come back and check on occasion. So I'll be here in my office, but I'm not going to be watching the markets too much, so I'll probably set a pill point for 60. Yeah, 62.60. I'll look to pull 2 or 3 off, and we'll see what happens at that point. So I'll set that up, and I'll be back eventually. All right, see you. All right, got an alert, got stopped out, looking at this big old drop. Wow. Well, we'll just kind of see what happens here. So I'll probably see if I can get long right here off of 48. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, long 10 contract 61.48. Look to pull half off at 58. Stop's going to be sitting at 38 for the moment, and let's see if we can actually ride this on up a bit. Let's see here. Sequence here. All right, yep, let's just see what happens. I'll be back. Okay, half off there at 58 for 10 ticks. I'm going to move my stop. Stop's coming to 44. And that is for a 4-tick stop. And let's see here. Let me set a pill point for 68. And sell one there for 20 ticks. Okay, let's see if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, we're within 9 and 19 here, banging right up against the 1 deviation line. So we'll see if we get some type of turnaround here. We got the 200 period average there that is hanging around as well. So not quite oversold, but we'll see what happens here. All right, I'll be back. All right, one off there at 68 for 20 ticks. Let me set one for 78. All right, one setting at 78 for 30 ticks. So let's see if we'll push on back up in this area. Not. Stop's still going to stay at 44. Yeah, I'm going to leave my stop at 44, 4-tick stop right now. All right, I'll be back. All right, scratch that. I'm moving it up to 47. 1 tick stop. So long, 4 contract 61.48. Stop sitting at 47 for 1 tick. And next pill point is at 61.78 for 30 ticks. All right, I'll be back. All right, 1 off there at 78 for 30 ticks. Let's see here. Set 1 up for 88 for 40 ticks. Let's see here. Is that right? Yep, that's right. Okay, 3 contracts long, 61.48. Stop sitting at 47. I'm going to go ahead and move that to break even now. Stops at break even and pill point at 88 for 40 ticks. So let's see if we'll keep on pushing up at this point here. All right, I'll be back. All right, moving up slowly but steady. 1 off at 61.88 for 40 ticks. Set a next pill point for 98, 61.98 for 50 ticks. And I'm just going to leave my stop at break even. So, because I'm not actively watching, and probably going to get some kind of a pullback eventually. And I don't want to get stopped out from this point either. So just securing, or just pilling to secure the profits from that point. 2 contracts long, 61.48. Stop sitting at break even. Next pill point 61.98 for 50 ticks. All right, I'll be back. All right, came on back and see what's going on. 1 off at 98, 61.98 for 50 ticks. Like we pushed on up. Look like some type of reversal sequence here. 62, let's see, 16, 26, 36. Yeah, it's amongst all this stuff here. Okay, let me go ahead and move my stop on up. Let's see here. Stop's going to come on up to 88. And that will lock in 40 ticks. 88. And final take profit set at 62.48 for 100 ticks. Let me see, is that what I want? Yep. And yep. Okay, 1 contract long, 61.48. Stop sitting at 88 to lock in 40 ticks. Final take profit, 62.48 for 100 ticks. All right, guys. Last trade. So, I think did I take one earlier than this? I can't remember. I don't think I did. Yeah, I did. So this is the last trade though. So, we're at profit goal already. So we'll just run with it from this point. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys. Several hours have went past. Not much has been going on here. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this video down. 50 ticks locked in so far. I've set the final tick profit up here at 62.48. So we've just been kind of fiddling around, just in this big old channel kind of deal right now. So, and stop is still sitting, at 87, 88, down here. That's my stop. So, I'm gonna just type this video as 50 ticks locked in and still in this trade. So we'll see what happens at this point. But profit goal's been met. So all right, guys, have a good one, and we might see you tomorrow. All right, bye.